Good to see you all again here at Wealthy Coin. There are only 2 days left Shiba Inu and you are prepared. In 2022, the price of Shiba Inu ended on a negative note. With the new year upon us, the bulls are making moves to reclaim lost ground and recoup investment capital. The Shiba Inu price has not shown the positive signs that would encourage traders to add additional SHIB tokens to their holdings just yet. Since the bulls were unable to initiate the expected end-of-year rally, the market value of the auction in December fell 13% from its opening price. There are only 2 days left to hear the latest SHIB news, and in this video we'll discuss how unprepared you Shiba Inu are. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. The current market value of a Shiba Inu is $0.000000. The bulls are attempting to change the story on January 2nd, even though the shorter timeframes are bearish. The 18-day simple moving average SMA will shortly interact with the infamous meme coin, while the 8-day exponential moving average EMA has already been turned into support. A potential rally into the midpoint of December's trading range, close to $0.000009, $00 be initiated if the 21-day simple moving average SMA is bullishly broken through at $0.0000000000. If the bulls were right, the Shiba Inu price would go up by 11%. Contrarily, SHIB is still confined by the broken support zone that was established in November. If the price breaks below December's low of $0.00000780, can start a downtrend that ends in 2022 at 0.0004 Ps. $0.0000000714. If the worst-case scenario plays out, the price of SHIB will fall by 13%. The present trading range is 30% below an unbroken liquidity zone that began in 2020 at $0.00000632 too. Thus, it would be unwise to rush into the market for a knife-edge chance expecting a double bottom close to the annual lows. Now that 2022 is nearly over, cryptocurrency investors may look forward to a clean slate in 2023, when the crypto winter will have swept the market and halted the momentum that had been building since 2021. Not even Shiba Inu, a meme token with a market valuation of nearly $4.9 billion and a 75% decline in 2022, has been spared. The recent bankruptcy and storm of negative press surrounding FTX, one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, is to blame. Swooping in as well are regulators. Uncertainty has spread over the sector as a whole as a result of the FTX collapse. Bulls in the cryptocurrency market will insist that now is a good moment to purchase the dip, because the industry will eventually recover even though the prognosis is bleak. A Shiba Inu's negative impact on the token could be due to a number of factors. One issue is that Shiba Inus don't really have a special purpose. There are tokens and networks that can do certain tasks or disrupt specific sectors. Even said, Shiba Inu only has the P2P payment capability that nearly all cryptocurrencies have. One reason for this is that Shiba Inus do not have a network. Instead, it's an ERC20 token, which means it's constructed on the Ethereum network and has specific characteristics like a fixed supply, transferability, and fungibility. Although there is a fixed supply of Shiba Inu, the fact that there are 1 quadrillion tokens does not make the supply and demand scenario attractive to investors. The impending release of the beta edition of Shibarium is the one stimulus pertaining to Shiba Inus that does appear intriguing. Layer 2 scaling solution Shibarium is based on Shiba Inu protocol and makes Shiba Inu's network more personalized. Because it is an ERC20 token, Shiba Inu users may see a decrease in transaction fees as a result of this. When Ethereum experiences congestion, users of Shiba Inu also experience congestion, which in turn increases gas fees. According to rumors, Shibarium will also include a burning mechanism that will destroy tokens with each transaction, hence decreasing the number of Shiba Inus. Beyond that, a recovery in the cryptocurrency market would be good for Shiba Inu, the 16th biggest cryptocurrency. The Federal Reserve must halt its relentless interest rate hikes, which have persisted throughout the year, for that to transpire. Cryptos are among the most risky assets, and they are also more difficult to evaluate than stocks, so rate hikes make them less attractive. After suffering from exhaustion last year, the Shiba Inu community appears to be full of life and excitement this year. With the exception of the first 2 days of 2023, the daily burn of this popular meme coin was comparable to the massive burn in 2022, even though it has been considerably lower since last year's drop. The SHIB army has reportedly withdrawn almost 250 million Shiba Inus in the last 2 days, as reported by the cryptocurrency burn transfer tracker Shibber. Meme coins totaling 90,098,748 were sent to the Inferno wallet on January 1st. Receiving them required 9 transactions. As of this writing on January 2nd, 13 transactions have resulted in 159,411,895 shib being removed from circulation. The bulk of the following shib was burned in one transaction. The anonymous address burned 157,941,583 meme coins. The total shib burn rate is now at 115.6% due to this most recent burn. Thousands of people have followed the official Shibarium network Twitter account at Shibarium in the few months after it was unveiled. With almost 33,900 followers, the Shibarium network is quite popular on Twitter. The number of followers was approximately 24,200 just 1 month ago, on November 7th. In due time, the Shibarium network will serve as a central location for social information pertaining to the Shibarium Layer 2 protocol and network, as stated by the Shiba Inu team. People have great hopes for Shibarium, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 solution, because of the huge Twitter following it gathered in less than a month. Satoshi Kusama, the primary developer of the Shiba Inu, tweeted earlier this week about a meeting he had with the Shibarium Builder Unification. In his writings of Shibarium in the past, the Shiba Inu-centric Twitter account ShibPPP has released screenshots of chats exchanged between Satoshi Kusama and ShibTrophius in Discord. We can all guess that Kusama meant Shibarium when he remarked, "I'm putting a nice bow on it" in the screenshot. According to ShibTrophius, the documentation will be available after the beta. Although the exact release date of Shibarium has not been announced, it seems like the beta testing period is almost here. An 8% increase to $0.87 the past 24 hours is a reaction to the news of the impending Shibarium beta release, according to the pricing of Shiba swap. The Shibarium Layer 2 would run on Bone Gas and validators would get Bone as a reward. According to a Twitter influencer known as ShibPPP, Shibarium upgrades are almost finished by the Shiba Inu development team. A member of the Shiba Inu community shared a Discord message that Trophius, one of the network's main engineers, had written. In the message, Trophius revealed the upcoming phases leading up to the much-anticipated debut of the Shibarium beta. One last thing before the beta launch, according to Trophius' Discord message, is for the developers to release the Shibarium white paper. Furthermore, the developer mentioned in the shared message that the initial stage involved developing the website, creating the document, and launching the beta. In a subsequent Twitter post, the Shib influencer shared another message from Satoshi Kusama, further confirming Trophius' statement. According to Kusama's Discord message, developers are finishing up the upgrade by incorporating organizational adjustments and document releases. Then they will launch the Shibarium project. Importantly, the core developers have been teasing the Shiba Inu community for over a year now about releasing the Layer 2 protocol. September was the original launch date that the Shib team had planned. Developers have now acknowledged that there are technical issues that will postpone the scheduled debut. The Shiba Inu community is furious because the team has not yet announced the specific launch date. The price of SHIB is expected to skyrocket as the launch of Shibarium draws near, according to specialists in the business. Launching the K9 crypto platform would put it in a position to compete with Polygon and other Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solutions, according to experts. According to an earlier article on Crypto News Flash, decentralized application developers will be interested in the low prices and high throughput advantages offered by the Shibarium launch. We are finished for the day. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.